My name is Jordan Couch. I'm a plaintiff's attorney and a partner at Palace Law. I have an amazing family that this year added a first child, my daughter Emma. My wife and I also have a dog and a cat. I love anything that gets me outside, whether it's fishing, birding, or just sitting in the sun with a drink. As for why I want to serve, I've always been aware that the career and life that I have was supported by people who helped me along the way. So it's important to me that I do the same for others. That's how I first got involved in bar associations generally and the state bar specifically. Before I was elected to the Board of Governors, I was president of the Pierce County New Lawyers, chair of the Washington Young Lawyers Committee, and chair of the Sole and Small Practice section, to name a few of my volunteer positions. In all of these opportunities, I've strived to give back and support our community. And I'm running for a second and final term because I want to continue the work I've been doing building a better, more equitable profession. From what I've seen, I'm the only candidate with experience representing new and young lawyers and the only candidate with experience in leadership with the Washington State Bar. And I have a lot of both. The Board of Governors is a difficult and time-consuming role, and to do it well, you have to know how WISBA works and have the support to dedicate a lot of your time to it. I'm fortunate that my business partner is a former bar president, and our firm is 100% behind me. I'm also the best choice because I have a proven track record of serving our members and plans underway to do even more. I helped WISBA create resources for our members to guide them through the pandemic. I was the primary author on the now court-adopted proposal to create alternatives to the bar exam. I fought to maintain a strong, unified bar association dedicated to serving the public and our members. I pushed for more equitable systems of justice that increase the public's access to legal services. All that and more, and I'm just getting started. It's getting harder and harder for lawyers who represent individuals to build a thriving business. I talk about this in a lot of the CLEs I've done over the years, but in short, lawyers representing individuals are working harder and making less money than ever before. And that's a huge problem. The lawyers and consumers hit hardest by this are those from historically marginalized communities. When you combine that with the debt that most law students graduate law school with, this situation is a crisis for equity and access to justice. New lawyers don't have the support and the financial freedom they need to start their own practice following their passions. And those in need of legal services have fewer, more expensive options available to them today. I'm already working on efforts to reduce the cost of law school by implementing lessons learned during the pandemic and reversing discriminatory policies that keep people of color out of law school and out of the profession. I'm also starting work on a proposal to help new lawyers in Washington get debt relief based on need and practice. And finally, for those already practicing, I'm working to help the bar connect lawyers with paying clients, supporting the bottom line of our members' firms. With your vote, I'll be able to continue driving these proposals forward.